Freddie here, Stephanie here from Palm Harbor Homes in Midland. We'd love to invite you to come on out to our sales center. We have our red tag clearance sale going on right now, guys. We're in the urban homestead. This is one of our newer plans that we have available for you to view. Again, Palm Harbor Homes, we've been in business for over 40 years, guys, so we are knowledgeable and we do have the expertise to help you guys get into your new home. What about financing, Stephanie?
So we have 3 different programs. We have one for perfect credit, trouble credit, and if you've been in bankruptcies or foreclosures, we are going to help you. We have over 5 lenders that we're going to discuss with you that talks about good interest rates, down payments, and meet your wants and needs. So come on down and visit us today.
We also offer land and home packages, guys, home-only loans, cash discounts. So come on down, we'll take you through the process, help you get into your new home. That's what we're here for, to help you get in to your new home purchase. Give us a call at 432-563-1099 or stop on by 7212 West Highway 80 here in Midland, Texas.